Hey, I'm Rosa. I'm going to be teaching you a pop-in routine today.
Yo te como sin vid, a capela, suave que la noche espera. Yo te encendí como vela y te apago cuando quiera. Venga hasta la noche como pantera. Ella coge el plano y lo desmantela. Los de Puerto Rico me dice mera. Tranquila, yo pago en tu cartera. Madre, quiero decir que tenga que pedir. Que seguir, me cambie, me cae. María, no sé si lo ven.
So we're going to start off warming up a little bit. So you're just going to roll your shoulders back. So bend your knees, and as you roll your shoulders back, push up and round them. That's it. Then roll them forwards. Then roll your arms back. And then roll them forwards. And then we're going to take a wider stride, lean over, stretch. Other side. Then take your hands forwards in a clasp and pull your shoulder blades apart. Then push your palms away from you and bring your hands up. And then circle your wrists and then take your hands behind you and pull your shoulders back. And then let go, and then stand nice and comfortable, feet hip width apart. Circle your head one side, then the other. Keep your eyes open so you don't feel dizzy. Get all the clicks out. And then we're going to look over to one side and the other side, and again. Then you're going to tilt your neck so that you stretch this part of your neck. And then the other side. And then let go. And then we're going to curl down. So we're going to put chin to chest, bend your knees, go down into squat. Let your back hang over. And then come back up again. Unravel your spine. Cool. Let's just take the leg. Look down at a spot so that you don't wobble. Stretch the thigh. And then the other side. Great. And then have the legs in straddle. And get to where you can get to. Just hang and stretch. Bend your knees. Come up. Now a lunge. Stretch. And then the other side. Stretch. And then plank. You can either do straight arm plank or you can do forearm plank. Forearm plank is harder, but it gets you warm, does all of your core. If you can do this every day for as long as you can, the length of a song, put your favourite song on and try and do it. You get super strong because it does all over your body. We'll just do it for 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go onto your knees. Cat and cow, so you push your back up, breathe out. Then let your back drop, breathe in. Push your back up, breathe out. Let your back drop, breathe in. And then sit on your heels and stretch your arms out in front. And then slowly get up to standing or roll up standing. Okay, now we've stretched and you can feel a bit warm. I'm going to teach you the basics of what I know of popping. So you're going to stand hip width apart, really nice and relaxed. So let your shoulders just come loose, your knees be loose. And the way you get this pop, it's going to take a while. You won't be able to get it straight away, or you might. is by tensing and releasing the muscles in your whole body, but we'll start off with the arm. So tense and release, like you're angry, like tense and release, tense, release, tense, release. And this creates a pop, a vibration. So my wrists are kind of just vibrating from the tense and release of what I'm doing to the muscles in the arm. Then, so you do all the arms first and you practice that. So practice one arm, then the other, then both of them together. Then you need to get the whole of the body to pop, so all of the muscles in your body. We'll start with the legs first. So we'll go over to one side, and how you do the legs is by having your legs relaxed and pulling the knee back, kind of like tensing that muscle and then releasing, tense and release, tense and release. And so to do each side, you have to lean slightly over to one side and then the other. So let's do 2, 2, 2, 2, okay? And we're going to put in the arms eventually as well. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so those are the legs. Careful not to hold the leg back, just make sure it's released and it's relaxed and loose for all the other time. So now we'll put in the arms. So you're going to lean over to one side and your heel is coming off a little bit, a tiny bit. Shouldn't really, it's a little bit cheaty, but okay, so stand nice and loose and comfortable, lean over, pop, 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 again, pop, 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 pop. Cool, so that's like a basic pop. There's a move within my routine called a Fresno, where it's I've kind of changed it a little bit, and so that goes, you start off the same as what we've just done, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you go to singles, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, there's just one single on one side. So you've got 2 this side, 2 pops that side, 1 pop this side. You don't go 1 pop onto the other side. You just go down, 1 pop, step in and come up. So that again is standing loose. And this is the beginning of the routine. 1, 2, other side, 3, 4, just 1 this side, 5, lean over, so you'll pop in this arm and this leg, 6, step together, 7, 8, and 8, because you're all together, you do both legs, both arms, 8. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 this side, 2 that side, 1 that side, 1 across, into the middle and up. And that's a count of 8. We'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So once you've got the legs popping and arms popping off, you need to do the chest as well. And this is by kind of, you know, your diaphragm, which is under your lungs. It's a muscle under your lungs. If you breathe in, that's it moving up and down. So if you can try not to do that with inhaling quickly and using your breath, but without your breath, it's lifting your chest up and down, and that's how you get a chest pop. And obviously the more you practice, the better you get at doing this, so don't worry about it for now. You could just learn the basics of the actual routine and then put the pops in afterwards, because that's the technique that must be trained. So we're going to go on. I'm going to show you the routine, teach it to you, and then I'll do it, perform it at the end. So you've got from this top, it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll kind of let your head kind of go right at once. It's a little bit kind of like ragdolly. the next bit, you're going to do something called a twisto flex, which is twisting. So you're going to step back and lift your arms up like this, again with a pop. 1, you don't step back, you hold there, but you just change your arms to go down. 2, so that is 1, 2, and then you turn like this on an angle. 3, and then you go lean your leg forwards. 4, you turn your legs. 5, then your head. 6, then you come up. 7, 8, and you turn. So just that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's quite quick. Okay, so we'll go over that again. So we can just keep drilling things. If you've got it already, you can just practice your pops and make them really hard to the beat. Yeah. All right. So twisto flex. You've just done Fresno. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're always going on at 8 as well. Okay. Then you've got 1, 2, twist. 3, lean down. 4, so that you can turn on. 5, but just your legs. Then you bring that leg in, then you look. 6, lift up the front leg. 7, and as you turn around, you're kicking back and you kind of swivel on that back heel, the leg. So you could just practice that if you wanted to. So you're lifting up that leg, swiveling round. It takes practice. It's the whole balance thing as well. Just be careful. Get the angles nice as well. So you've got right angle, right angle. Obviously you're keeping that right angle again. Leaning down, turning, turning. Actually, as you look, then you step in to come up, to quickly turn around, down. And your arms are like this, like you're running. Okay, from the top again. So we can do this, we can do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and accentuate the head. 6, lift up. 7, 8. You've got to get that turn quite quick. Carry on. Cool. You're gonna do like a round thing. You're gonna bring yourself around. So you imagine you're grabbing onto something and pulling yourself round. As you pull yourself round, you pivot onto the balls of your feet and kind of open up slightly, but kind of push forwards, push your hips forwards to turn, to come back to straight on again. So you'll do that in one. So that's like a 1. And then you've got a little step shuffle thing. 1, 2. So you go step ball change, which is the foot replaces the other foot and then steps out. So as soon as you've just gone round. 8, 1. You can, I've kind of gone a little bit too far, but you can, if you do, it doesn't matter, because then you're just gonna go step, step, then you move your body, and as you move your body, you shift your head over as well. So this is the move by itself. So after you've done this, it's called like a walkout. It's a kind of version of something that's called a walkout. Boom, 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 and then you've got legs, body, legs, body. So it's isolation, and a lot of this routine and a lot of popping is all about isolation. So depending on what level of dancer you are, you'll know about that, but we're in it now, aren't we? We're isolating, so we know when it's one by being by yourself. So legs by themselves, then the body, legs by themselves, then the body, and you can accentuate the movement with your head when you want to. Okay, so from the top, you've got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist and flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's quite fast. 1, 2. Sorry, that's a 1, 2. So 1, 2. Sorry, not just a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you've got 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you guys are okay. So you've got all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that's where we went wrong. You've got like a little body roll. 7, 8. Missed a step out there. Sorry, it's all right. It's hard doing live stuff. Got to bear with me. So it's my first one, kind of. All right. So we've got, after you've got the twister flex, turn head, 7, 8. You've got one, grab round, 1, 2, walk out, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna rebound. So as you come this way, you're gonna do a body roll. Now a body roll is where we're putting the head in a little bit, but you don't have to. So I've gone round with the head, pushed up with the chest, arched the back, and as I kind of lean backwards with the arching the back, push my hips forward, and then I drop them down. So the body roll in slow-mo is head, chest, push up, lean back, roll down, drop to your knees, and then I push it off my heel to step forwards. Yeah, that might be a little bit tricky. Hopefully it's not. So after you've done from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, drop your hands, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Oh yeah, so you also, as you come body roll down, you hit, and then you hit to move forwards. And as you move forwards, you kind of, so the body roll goes down, hits the floor to come back up. So there's 2 heel hits. So body roll down, hit, and then we're going to go back up, and then we're going to move this front leg forwards, push up to step out. All right. So again so we've got Fresno, twister flex, ta, 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 ta. Then we've got like a little turn around thing to walk out, walk, body, walk, step, step, body, neck, chest, roll down, hip, hip, and kind of body roll back up. So you push your chest up as you step forwards. Then we're going to pull this front foot back. As we pull it back, we're going to go like this with the arms. Boom. So you kind of grab and pull forwards as you pull. And as you pull that front foot back, the back foot goes up onto the ball of the foot. And then you do the same again with the other foot. Step forwards, pull with the arms, pull back with that foot, and you go onto the ball of the foot. So we'll just drill that for a minute. So it's like a standing moonwalk. So if you don't know how to do the moonwalk, it's hard on carpet. It's pulling one foot back and going onto the ball of the other foot, and pulling the other foot back And that's the basis of a moonwalk, but we're just doing it standing. So as you've body rolled down, hip, push back up, step forwards, pull back and pull back. And then this last one, as you've gone pull back, you're going to pivot onto that foot that's already up, and we're going to drag the foot back and in. It's like a roll, so it's like a backwards one. Oh, this might get a bit complicated, but hopefully I can break it down for you. So after you've stepped forward with the body roll forward, you're pulling the foot back, pulling the other foot back, but then you're going to pivot and stay on that front leg and kind of swipe, lean onto your ball of your foot, swipe the leg back to come forwards. Boom, boom, boom. And it goes with the music. It's like a cha, 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 cha. Yeah. All right, from the top to there. And then there's a last little section. And then I'm going to do it for you. All right. So, nice and loose, hanging out. Fresno. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you've got the head roll 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counted it a little bit weird then. Let's do that again. I should just stick with tatas. Ta, 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 ta. And then if my counts go wrong, it's all right. But I'll try and count it because it's for you to learn. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoo, got the counts right. All right, the next bit, something called Necoflex, okay? So we've got, next bit we go 1, 2. So that is isolation in the neck, using just the head and then the body. So you've just finished step, step, back, swipe, stop. You're going to look forwards, keep the head facing forwards so that the chin goes to the shoulder. Then you're going to keep the head there as you swivel. So go onto the ball of your feet again so you can turn, but you keep the head where it is. And now you're on the other shoulder. So that again. So you've just done pull, pull, swipe and stop. And then you're going to look forwards, move around, but keep your head looking the same way, but on the other shoulder. 1, 2, then you look backwards. 3, move your body now. 4, 5, 6, and we're back to the beginning. And you bring your arm up. 7, 8. Okay, so that again, after you've done pull back, pivot on the front leg to slide to come in. It's like a little swipe. Cha. Then you look, twist, look back, twist, look forward, twist, roll your arm up with the shoulder first, elbow, wrist, hand, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. Obviously it's quicker than that. And then we do some Egyptian tutting. And as we do the Egyptian tutting, we come forwards like this. So that little walk, you kind of push from the hips and you fall forwards and you bring your step with the right foot, the left knee comes out. and the other side, fall forwards. That same switching of going from flat foot to the ball of your foot. And I think it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, but I'll check. So you've got, after you've done the Neko flex, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you just come back to the start. 7, 8, you've got, right, so you step forwards. Actually, it's the right knee, it's the other knee, this knee. Well, it doesn't matter which knee actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you've got one more, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the end of the routine. So the arms and then the legs again. So we've got 6 of those steps coming forwards. The arms, after you pull them out, you've got nice right angles with kind of like duck hands. If you can get them, you want to get them as flat as you can, but that's hard. So it naturally kind of goes a little bit lumpy, but you want to get them as angular as possible. So 7, 8, 1, turn them out, 2, push them out, 3, then the other way. And the other way is quite hard because you want to lift up your shoulders, but you've got to kind of keep your shoulders down, but then bend at the elbows to there, then you turn them in. Then we've got one more step, 5, and you bring them up into a cross, then you change the cross around and swipe down. So that's just like a, which angle is good? Behind, cross in front, and down. That's the end of the routine. So that last little bit, so after you've just finished the slide, thingy back, look, twist, look, twist, look, twist, arm, arm. You're coming forwards with your knees pushing, popping forwards, one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Do you want to see it? Hopefully, I hear you say yeah. I'll show you now. Where's the remote? Got it on the telly. The song is Blanco by J Balvin. It's like a reggaeton song. I was really feeling it. It's not really a popping song, but hey, you know, it's all good. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. So I hope I've given the right guidance. Please go to YouTube if you're a child. Please have an adult's permission and check out some like popping videos. Check out Popping Pete, Kid Boogie. These are the guys, the founders of the style. There's lots of different versions of different moves and stuff. I just know the basics, but it's a style that I absolutely love. Also, if you wanted to and you're not really feeling like doing a routine, you can always freestyle. So I'm going to put the song on again and I'm going to show you a little freestyle. So if you think about what your body looks like, the shapes, the angles, and as long as you've got the pop, you know, you can play about with it. Also within the style, there's waving. There's so much within this style, within popping, within street dance. I'm going to put the song back on. I'm going to show you a little freestyle. and then I'm going to say bye, and hopefully you've enjoyed this 30 minutes. Let's go.
Como se olvida, a capela, suave que la noche espera. Te encendí como vela y te apago cuando quiera. Llegué hasta la noche como pantera. Ella coge el plano y lo desmantela. De Puerto Rico me dice mera. Tranquila, yo pago.
So you can do like robots and pretend to be a robot. Just practicing your pops. You can just simply groove. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Thanks for watching. Impello is where it's at. Peace and love, guys.